Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Amazon Seller Central listing using Helium 10, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Amazon Seller Central listing using Helium 10, begin by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to the Helium 10 website. Log in to your Helium 10 account. Once logged in, locate the keyword research tool on the Helium 10 dashboard. Click on Magnet to start your keyword research. Enter your product name or ASIN into the search bar. Proceed by clicking the search button. Review the list of relevant keywords that Helium 10 generates for your product. Select the keywords that are most relevant and have high search volume. Take note of these keywords as you will incorporate them into your listing. Now, go back to your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Inventory tab at the top of the page. Select Manage Inventory from the drop-down menu. Find the listing you wish to update and click the Edit button on the right side. In the editing page, update the title of your product. Incorporate the new keywords you identified with Helium 10. Next, scroll down to the Product Description section. Enhance your product description using the keywords while ensuring it remains clear and engaging. Move on to the Key Product Features section. Update this area with the most important features of your product, including relevant keywords. After updating the features, review the Search Terms section. Add any additional relevant keywords that you haven't used yet. Ensure that you are following Amazon's character limits. Next, check your images to make sure they comply with Amazon's guidelines. If necessary, update the images to showcase your product effectively. After making all these changes, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save and Finish. Your listing will now be updated with the new keywords and information. Finally, monitor your listing's performance over the coming weeks. Adjust your keywords and descriptions based on customer feedback and sales data as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.